Oh, it's about to get crazy.
I already lost Eric. He's somewhere going squirrel on a bunch of cars. Well, this is a weird series of events. I'm actually on my way out to Indiana to go hang out with Eric, and tomorrow morning we are actually going up to Columbus, Ohio for the biggest car event of the United States, hosted by no one other than Triple F Collection. They're gonna have over $100 million in hypercars and supercars, so it's gonna be amazing. So we're getting up early in the morning. Let's get over to Indiana, guys. See you guys in the morning. Alright guys, I actually made it out to Indiana last night at about 8 o'clock, but somebody had a bright idea to go to the movies late last night, and we've been up since 6 o'clock this morning. Whose fault is that I want to go see the movies?
I don't know. I wanted to see Top Gun. You guys would want to see Top Gun. So we went and see Top Gun.
Been on the road for about an hour and a half. Still got about 2.5 hours left. I say 2 hours the way I drive.
Yep.
So, well, somebody's getting a little bit too anxious to get out to Ohio. He asked me a bunch of times already. Are we there yet? Are we there yet?
Yeah. I'm beyond excited right now. Might actually see a couple cars that I've never seen in my life, which is kind of hard to say. So, very excited to go to the event. And like I said, yeah, we got a lot of time to go, but in video time, it's gonna be really quick. Next time you see us, we will be in Ohio.
Oh, let me up with a bright smile on now. Put me in the dark, so won't get lost now. To the moonlight.
Oh, it's about to get crazy.
Maybe I'll actually go and get it.
Alright, we finally made it in. They actually let us in a little bit early. I got Eric over there waiting in line to go see the hypercars and go talk to a couple of people we know over there. So I'm walking around checking out all these cars, and I am not disappointed at all. As you've seen in the clip before, got that gold Lamborghini SV screaming in here. That thing was nice. I really like that one. They actually got this one, that one in there, and a few more. Sorry, just keep on looking at a bunch of cars. Last night's bathroom shots presented to you by
Live Mas in the bathroom.
Here you go, Steve. I come take delivery of my shit box.
Oh, no, bro.
Let me get it.
That's
You
reasonable
said
for what this
reasonable.
goes
At least
through.
10 bucks.
It's a paper.
I got here, okay.
All right, give me
At least
$5.
10.
Give me $5.
Ah, shoot.
I'll call the tow truck.
There you go.
Five and you shock us with the handle.
I think it,
Yes.
yeah, maybe.
Alright,
But
look at
that's the
this.
fun part, right?
Amateur Collection has their shit box for sale. They wouldn't take $5 for it.
10. He said 10.
Send $10.
But we didn't want to come up with the other 5.
Nope.
It ain't worth it.
I got to say that you didn't. This thing is so nasty, especially when there's not a lot of people around blocking it.
Yeah, we're back with All Things Fast. This is the Shred Man. We're at the event too. You already know. Hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, dude, notification squad. Where's
Oh yeah, yes.
subscribe, like squad. Let's roll.
We need a cameraman. We need a cameraman like him.
Yeah.
We need
That's right. Yeah.
Because Luke is.
You got hired?
Yeah.
You can hire me. Yeah.
Let's go.
Yeah,
Let's go.
Let's go.
I'll buy you a GT3 RS.
Okay, there
All right,
we go.
let's go.
That's the deal.
Thanks, Shmee.
Oh, thanks, man.
You're the reason we watched the Shred Man.
No, you're not.
Yes, yes, you are. And Burlacker.
I just do dumb stuff with Packer. That's all I
Well, he sucks as your cameraman.
Yeah.
Okay? He's a horrible cameraman. He needs to get one. Okay, I can't keep repeating myself because this is just, it is just hypercar overload out here. You got multiple collections out in one area. When you got multiple Bugattis, multiple Bugattis, multiple LaFerraris, multiple people, I can keep going.
Now we just need to see a Bugatti Zonda.
Bugatti Zonda. How about a Wyra?
A Wyra, yes.
Better yet, a Wyra BC.
I'm looking at one.
Better yet, a Wyra BC Roadster.
Yes.
Okay, I'll show you.
About to say. I'm favoring this one with the exposed blue carbon. Oh yeah.
I feel like big to
Have fun, man. Yeah, you too.
Where's the Bugatti?
Right there. Wyra BC.
It's a Wyra. It's not a Bugatti. You got a Bugatti. You got another Bugatti. What Bugatti is that, Eric?
Devo. Super
Devo.
Sport.
All right. Keep selling, destroy.
Well,
We're going down the line.
keep. Destroy and sell.
All right. Yep, got it.
Okay, I'm gonna bug you one more time about this. I know we give the Bugatti a lot of crap. We give the Chiron and the Veyron. Yes, we respect them. But it's, they just don't look as good as the other cars that we've been looking at. But when they bring out these kind of specs, like, how about a Bugatti Devo and a Bugatti Super Sport, 300 plus miles per hour. But the Devo just looks so much better. Okay, the Bugatti Super Sport, it is pretty bad. The back end is pretty neat. Unlike the Devo looks all luxury exotic. This thing means business.
It's like a rock.
And they tried to live in
Here's a tough one, Sean.
Which one?
Keep, sell, destroy.
Hypercar?
Hypercar edition. LaFerrari, Koenigsegg Regera, Bugatti Chiron.
All right. Sell, keep, destroy. So, LaFerrari's selling, keep the Koenigsegg, and the Bugatti we can destroy because I'm tired of looking at it.
Ooh. Hey, it's only a Chiron.
Yeah, it's always Chiron.
It's not the Devo. It's not the Super Sport. It's just a Chiron.
Nope.
Okay. All right. So you're keeping the Koenigsegg,
The Koenigsegg.
Regera,
Yep.
selling the LaFerrari for about 3.5 to 4 mil.
Yep.
Nice.
And get destroying that.
Destroy the Cookie Monster Chiron.
Yes.
All right. You guys know I'm partial to Ferraris, so I'm gonna keep the LaFerrari. I'm going to sell the Regera, and yep, let's destroy the Chiron. I'm sorry. That's just how it is. So Sean, did you know that one of the baddest, most coolest super hypercars there ever is 3-seater?
Yes. I'm staring at it.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm staring.
No. Not the speed tail.
No, I'm not looking at it.
Oh, what are you looking at?
I'm looking at it right in front of you. Yep. That is the sexiest 3-seater ever.
Oh,
You get a girl on each side.
I got a bad bit on my left, a bad bit on my right. Ooh. Oh, thank you so much, Mouse Motors, for bringing this out. There, look at that redneck.
No, it isn't good.
Oh no, we got
think the full carbon one that we seen a couple of weeks ago looks a lot better than this Elva. This one does look nice though. The heat up.
It's limited. Yeah, it's definitely.
I already lost Eric. He's somewhere going squirrel on a bunch of cars. He gets like that every time. And here is the Kona Sag. And this is a Triple F slot Ferrari. This is their cars. It's a nice red one. And then you got the Kona Sag over there. This is nasty.
I'll tell you what, you know I'm excited because there's not one, not two, not three. Wait, is there three?
There's
three R40?
Three R40s,
Three!
one R50.
Did I say R40? I meant F40.
Yeah, it's an R40 GTR.
You know what I'm talking about. I get too excited because this is one of my favorite cars.
Check out this lineup here. You got a 675. Got the P1. Sabre. That's actually Sabre. That is a speed tail. And then you got the Senna. Alright. You got the Senna, the Sabre, Speedtail, P1.
Don't even ask me what I'm taking because I'm about sick of answering those questions.
We're not gonna ask you.
All right.
Which one will you take?
Damn it. Sabre all day.
Look at that, full carbon fiber. That is so nasty.
Oh, full MSO. Full MSO.
Yep.
Spec, everything, the seats.
I mean, all these have.
This thing is so beautiful. Full carbon fiber.
Or are they going to demonstrate the freaking?
This is nice. Ooh, I like the blue one. Neat.
Follow the pretty car.
Damn.
SVJ with the Gintani exhaust.
And he bought it to get women. And you see a bunch of men following him.
That's what happens. Cars attract dudes.
Alright guys, that is the end of our video. Big shout out to Triple F for a major event. I think this is the best one of the year. Who did we get to see today?
Oh man, big shout out to Stratton and the Utah crew for coming out. Burlacker, Johnny, the Luke Terry, and we can't forget our buddy from across the pond, Shmee 150. Thank you guys for playing along on our TikTok. We enjoyed that.
Yep, a big shout out to Steve Hamilton, our buddy Rick. Till next time guys, hit that like and subscribe button, comment, and stay humble.